A lot of snow coming this weekend. They were calling for 8 to 10, we got maybe 5. Weather guessers got it wrong again. That's not me complaining though. It's just me observing from the sidelines. Let's do a weekly startup. Okay guys, for this weekly startup, we got 2 things we're doing. 1, we need to make sure there's plenty of fluid in the transmission, run it through the gears. Now that I have brakes, I can do that. And need to get the wheels back on. And once we have those 2 things back on, I'll have to think about maybe what I want to do. Let's get started. Oh, we're gonna need gas too. About out of applesauce. Just ran to the shed. It might even be just 3 inches out there. I don't know. But we'll stop talking about it and give them a break. Threw a little transmission fluid in there, but we'll get it running and start topping it off while it's running. Now that I have brakes, we can run it through the gears after it starts. Okay, I think we're good. Got her. Good. Gonna warm it up for just a little bit and then I'm gonna run it through the gears. My brakes definitely need bled again. Good to know. I thought they were a little spongy, but I couldn't tell. We just aren't there yet. I thought maybe the brakes were a little spongy the other night when I finished up, but I've never had manual drum brakes before, so I couldn't quite tell, but yeah, they're bad. With the car in reverse on the jacks, I couldn't even stop the rear wheel with the brakes. So I'm not gonna film me bleeding these brakes. I'm gonna try to get the brakes bled and get these issues figured out so that we can actually see this thing running and rolling. Hopefully, if we have a clean driveway come Thursday, Friday, we'll see. But I'm glad I tested it out because part of me wanted to just drop it down and put it in drive and take it just a little bit, but man, a little bit, I don't know that I've been able to get it stopped. I think I would have been a little bit screwed flying down this driveway into the road on all this ice. So I'm glad, you know, my cautiousness got the better part of me there. It is what it is. I'm not gonna film bleeding these brakes. I wanna get all this stuff worked out. I really wanna have this thing running and rolling in the next video for you guys. So I'll see what I can get done, maybe tonight into tomorrow. And I can tell you this, she likes to drink. That went down pretty quickly. So, that surprises me, especially for a straight 6. But, yeah. I also wanted to sincerely thank all the viewers that have commented on these videos and told me how much they like them. The channel is still reasonably new, and for a while there I felt like I was just kind of flying solo and wasn't sure if people liked the editing and the content. And you know, the channel was picking up some speed and I'm starting to get comments, and so far it seems pretty positive. So to all you guys I've been chatting with in the comments, sincerely thank you. It's good to hear feedback, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, and can't wait to finish this thing. We'll get there together. It'll be fun. Well, I guess that's all I have for the weekly startup then. There's some work to be done. But keep your fingers crossed for Friday's episode. I'm trying hard. I'm really trying hard for you guys, but I got a full-time job and a family, so you know, I can only work on this in the evenings and edit in the evenings, usually late into the night, so I'm doing what I can. We're getting there. But again, appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. So that's all I got. Until Friday, you guys take care.